our last online classes related with multiplication. Any doubt to any child till page number 122? We have already learned how to learn the tables, how to make the tables. With the table of 2 and 5, we can make the table of 7. With the table of 4 and 3, we can make the table of 7. So this way I have told you to find out more ways for the making the new table of the different tables. Am I right? We have done that. Turn on your camera, the online student, Vishrut, Manya, Niva, Kavisha. Turn on your camera, please. Now come on page number 123. How many cats? Just give me 1 minute. Table of? With what, which table? Okay, so I'm going to present my screen and will show you. Just let me know whether the screen is visible or not to the online students. My screen is visible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. 8 legs mean 2 cats. So, how many? 1 cat means how many legs? So, 12 legs means how many cats? So, please write in the blank 3. How many legs? 4 legs, 1 cat. 8 legs, 2 cat. If there is a table given down, please fill this. 12 legs, how many cats? 3, as you said. Then if you follow the same pattern, will you able to complete this table, students?
Yes.
I'm giving you 2 minutes. Please complete it fast. Done? The blue and yellow table? Okay. Can Pritika tell me what will come next after 12? Okay. Then after that? Okay.
Ma'am, what is the page number?
Page number 123.
Ma'am, it is following the force table rule.
Is this following the table of 4?
Yes, ma'am.
So 28 lakhs means how many cats?
7 cats.
Right in the blank 7 cats. Bilu has kept his chickens in a box. He counted 28 legs. How many chickens are there? First of all, you should know chickens are having how many legs? 2. So he counted 28 legs. So how many chickens are there?
Ma'am, 24 legs.
24. Check. Yes. So 28 divided by 2 when you do, you will get the answer 14. Please write in your textbooks, everyone. Moksha, where is your textbook? Do it in the revision
Ma'am,
notebook.
Moksh Patel.
Sorry, Moksh Patel. Leela has not gone to school for 21 days. For how many weeks was she away from the school?
Ma'am, 3. Ma'am, 3. Ma'am, 3. Ma'am, 3.
Jignesh, you got the answer? Any confusion to any child? Yes. The answer will be 3. Please write this. 21 divided by when you will do 7, you will get the answer 3. So do you know how easy now it is for you after understanding the complete concept of division? Yes or no? That is the reason first we learn the concept in every chapter and then we come to the textbook exercises. Turn the page, jumping animals. Do you remember the jumping animals of the class 3? You have learned in the class 3 also. A frog jumps 3 steps at a time starting from 0. Count the jumps he takes to reach to the 27. How many jumps he will do? 9 times. Yes. So you will say 9. Write 9 jumps. He has taken dash jumps if he is at 36. 12. If he is at 42, he has taken dash jumps. Very good. Online students, any confusion?
No, ma'am.
No? He reaches dash after taking 8 jumps. At which number he will reach? He is jumping 3 at a time. Now 8 jump will be on 24. He needs dash jumps to reach 55. Just check. $11 because it's coming 5 steps he is going, no, and he reaches at 40 after 8 jumps because it is now he is jumping 5 steps at a time. Is this clear to you all? Steps of 3 and steps of 5 both are clear, and this is the practice time which is given down. This is all the division sums, 2-digit dividend and 1-digit divisor. So please tick and write HW. This will be your homework today. Write HW. All the sums, 6 sums are there. Now come to the next, seashells. Dhruv lives near the, am I audible to the online students?
Yes, ma'am.
Dhruv lives near the sea. Just a minute. Dhruv lives near the sea. He thought of making necklaces for his 3 friends. He looked for seashells. The whole day he collected 112 seashells by evening. Now he had many different colors and shiny shells. I will make a necklace of 28 shells. Will these shells be enough to make necklace for all of my friends? How many friends he is having? 3. And I will make a necklace of 28 shells. He is putting 28 shells in a one necklace. And he has collected total 112. Will it be 112 necklaces are enough?
Yes, ma'am.
Total, when 28 multiplied by 3, he will be having 24 necklace he will used. So now he has left with 84 shells. 84 minus 28 will do. The second necklace he can make one more. How many shells are left now? So 56, because 84 shells, first he will do step by step, right? 84 he has done. From 112, he had minus 28, one necklace, then he is having now 84. From 84 again, he will minus 28 for the second necklace, he is having 56. Now from the 56, he will minus 28, how much will be left? 28. And how many necklace can Dhruv make from 2 shells? Yes. 4. Please write it in your books fast. Are the shells enough for making necklaces for all these friends? Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
So please write the answer. Any confusion to any child? Now coming then. You are writing? Okay, let me give me 1 minute. Write, please. Any confusion to online students? Please answer me.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Open new page 126, the another page where now from 125 there is one word problem given down. Kanu made a necklace of 17 seashells. How many such necklaces can be made using 100 seashells? Then one carton can hold 85 soap bars. Shelly wants to pack 338 soap bars. How many cartons does she? These are the word problems, students. Can you start doing in your notebooks right now? Okay. Don't write the question. Write the page number 125, word problem 125 and 126 word problems. Don't write question, only write the statement and start solving. Online as well as offline students. Am I clear with you all? Let me see. Good morning. Online students, are you getting me what I'm trying to tell you?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Start doing these story problems. Okay, let me take the attendance for a minute.
We can do. We can do.
Do it in the revision notebook. Then how can I help you, bacha? Tell me. Do it in any of the notebook. Go home and copy it down.
You can test.
Students, let me take the attendance for a minute. Yes, Moksha, tell me. Any problem?
Ma'am, we can do multiplication and division both knowing these word problems.
What happened?
We can do multiplication also knowing these word problems.
Revision.
Yes, this word.
Revision or division?
I was saying that these are word problems. So in this we can do multiplication and division both of them.
That you need to first see the language of the. Ketu, you have joined now.
Ma'am, but I have fever, so I have not come to school.
Wait a minute. Don't write question. Just write the page, write today's date, page number 125, 126, and write the question number 1, only the question, and start writing the solution. Don't write question. So here, beta, come on time if you want to attend the class.
Ma'am, but what is the timetable of online school class? I don't know.
Same timetable which is there in the class. Acha, you want to follow the B time. So you, whenever it is such a situation that you want to attend your online class, follow the class B timetable. And both the timetables are attached in your classroom, already sent before. Am I clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Now you are at home. Now you will follow the today class B timetable. Am I clear?
Okay, ma'am.
You have to write in revision notebook. No?
No, in your maths notebook. पूछना पड़ेगा, पूछना पड़ेगा, लिखना पड़ेगा, बाद में आप खुद लिख देना. Yes, statement is compulsory to write in the word story problems. Half marks are for the statement. If the question is of 2 marks, 1 mark is for statement and 1 is for the solution. Kanu made a necklace of 17 seashells. No, so you will say 1 necklace by 17 seashells. Number of seashells is having 100.
I have to not write the question, the problem.
What happened? Don't write the questions. Only do the solution.
Okay, and we have to write the statements also, na?
See, this way you can write. Total seashells are 100. Shells required for the one necklace are 17 seashells. So 100 minus 17, 83 seashells is having. The question is, how many such necklaces can be using by 100 seashells? He is doing by the repeated subtraction here. But you can do it by the division also, as you all know that division is a repeated subtraction. In this, which on the screen which I am showing you, what they will do from 100, first they subtract 17. Then from 83, what they got the answer, again 17. Till they reach on the 0. Yeah. You can do it with the division method also, because the repeated subtraction method will take much time comparatively to the division method. We have learned both the methods. Until it is not given which method you have to apply, always apply the long division method. Am I clear to you all? Yeah, number of seashells in one necklace. Yes, number of seashells 100. Now total number of necklaces made. You need to find out that. Don't do with this, Mohammed, don't look at the board. I am now, changing the screen. Don't look at the board, do it by your own. Write
Mama,
this.
can you show me it only for 1 minute?
What happened?
Can you show me for that 1 minute?
No, I don't want to show you the solution, bacha. Solution, it's up to you, the way you have learned the story problems. Okay? Can I stop the presentation, because everyone is having the textbooks now? Mantra, any confusion, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Janya, what happened today? Not in the class?
Yes, ma'am, I have got fever, that's why.
You have fever? Take care and get well soon. Here, turn on your camera. Suchi, sit properly. Bhakti, sit properly. The child who has completed the first question can show me. Just a minute. Put it there. Come here, Pritika. Up, up. Huh. 17 zeros up, 0. 1 will come down, 0. When it is, then again 0, and this 0 will come down. 100. What is your answer coming?
Question 10, 15.
Now you know the check method. 17 multiplied by 5, what is the answer, and add the remainder, and if it is equals to 100, then your answer is correct. Children, check your answer also with the check method. Don't wait for the teacher has to correct your answer. You have learned how to check your own answer also, whether it is correct or not. Yes or no? Divide. You need to do. Try it. Yes, Kavisha is done. I can pin her and see. So what is your answer? Very good. You have done C till 3 sums, right? Good, good. So what is the first answer it is? What is question and what is remainder, Kavisha?
Ma'am, When I divided, I am not able to divide it.
What happened?
When I divided, I am not able to divide it.
Which one? First one? This one, last one. See. Okay. What is the first one? But I am asking.
First one only. First one only.
Manpreet wants 1500 sacks of cement for making a house.
First one only.
Chalo, you all know what is sack?
Ma'am, she is saying the first one only.
Okay, I'll talk to her. Do you know what is sack means?
Ma'am, I
No, SACKS.
Ma'am, that guni bag.
Jute bags. वो बोरी आती है ना बड़ी सी. That is the jute. That jute bag is called sack bag. Manpreet wants 1500 sack bag of cement for making a house. A truck carries 250 sack at a time. How many trips will the truck make? How many? ये तो बहुत easy है. Because it's 250 and that is 1500.
Ma'am, I am telling the first one.
First one, Kavisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Kavisha, first one, when you divide 100 with 17, what is the answer coming?
Ma'am, I have done with zero method, but how can I do when it is coming 10?
Yes, ma'am. I tried with.
Yes, ma'am. I am also confused.
So what happened?
Ma'am, see. Ma'am,
Let
I
me
did
check.
like this.
Yeah.
So,
Manya, why you have taken directly 85? Why you have not done with the zero method?
ma'am, I did the mistake. That's why.
So
But
take the
in this, how to do now?
17 zeros are 0. 1 will come down when you subtract. Then you bring the 0 down. Right? 10. And the 10 also not going with the 17. Again 0 will come. Then again you need to bring the third 0 down. Will be 100. Now 17 5s are 85. And 85, the way you are writing is wrong. You have to write from the back. 5 will come under the last 0. Under ones. Because it is 85. 5 ones and 8 times, right? And you are writing from the
Also
first.
did like that.
Yes,
the way
ma'am,
you are
I
written is wrong.
understood that.
This
Yes,
is your
ma'am,
mistake.
I understood.
Got it? And the remainder will be 15.
Okay.
Any confusion to any child? Kavisha, now you are clear?
Ma'am, I am not clear.
You are clear, Vishrut?
No, ma'am.
Why? Vishrut, even if you not do with the zero method, directly you can see 70 in the table of 17, 100 or less than 100 is coming. How many times?
Ma'am, I have tried that. 17 twos are 34.
So why you with the 2? You can go more higher, no? Just less than 100 it should be. Right? So you can say the table of 17 5 times, which will give you 85. 17 5s are 85. And when you subtract 85 from 100, it will be 15. So your remainder will be 15 and your question will be 17. 5.
Ma'am, I am doing like this.
It is not clear to me properly, but not clear still. Blur, it is coming blur.
Ma'am,
You're
now,
correct. Do the second one.
ma'am,
Yes.
now, can you see me clear?
Yes, please.
Ma'am,
Do the second one. Yes, but it is not showing me. Where you facing the difficulty, Vishrut? Can you explain me? Nikhare, are you done? My dear students, please do fast. Don't sit simply. If you have query, please ask.
ma'am, I have done that 17 0 0 up 0 Then I've taken.
Your 85 writing way is wrong. You should write 5 here, 8 here. Right? From the back,
Ma'am,
it's a 3-digit number and you are writing 2-digit number. It should come from the back. Then only
ma'am,
this.
excuse me, ma'am.
Maybe Vishnu, your subtraction way is wrong to write the way. Manya was also facing a difficulty, how to subtract 85 from 100. You can pin Neva and she is showing you now. Pin Neva, she has done properly. Yes, we
Ma'am,
can.
this is right that I've done.
Yes, right.
Ma'am, my answer.
So the answer is 5. Excuse me, ma'am. So the
Yes,
answer is
Manya.
5. Ma'am, I did the rough one.
Okay.
Is it correct, this one?
Yes, correct. It's little bit untidy.
Ma'am, see. Ma'am, is it correct?
But you have done directly, right? Good. Yeah, let me pin you, Tej Kumar. Yeah, it is correct. Can I go to the next question now? And please write the statement that how many necklaces he can make and how many will be remaining. Next question. One carton can hold 85 soap bars. Shelly wants to pack 338 soap bars. How many cartons she need for packing all of them? In one carton 85, she is having 338. So how many cartons she need?
We have to multiply.
No.
We have
These
to
are the
divide.
number of the cartons.
Divide. Ma'am, it's cartons or cartoon?
It's cartons. Cartoons, I think double O will come in the cartoons. It's a single O. It's cartons. Divide it. Do the second one also.
Ma'am, in carton we have to put CARTOON.
Double O, no. Only one O. Single O. It's written already there in your textbook. Right, this is check method neatly. Right, today's date is not there in your notebook. Try to do neat work. See, if you write 85 here, 100 here, how do I know you have subtracted in this? Try to do neat work, Harsh Keshwani. This is your maths notebook. That day also you were not having a notebook. Why 5 is not there? 17 zeros are where is 5? It's untidy, it will not be accepted. Do it again. Any doubt to any child? Bhakti, what happened? What happened, Bhakti? Any problem? You have books with you? I don't think you had book. Can you show me? Are you comfortable in doing your work? Any doubt? Can you please speak?
No, ma'am.
Why looking sad today? Everything is okay?
Doubt in second one.
Second one, you need to divide again. Because there are 338 soaps and in one packet there are 85 soaps are only coming. So how many packs you will fit? Suppose there are 10 pencils and in one pouch you only keep 2 pencils. So how many pouches you need to keep the 10 pens? 5 na? What you did? 10 divided by 2. Right, same way 338 divided by 85. You will get the number of cartons. So tomorrow, children, first today we will complete this and your homework is the page number 124. Sums you have to do. Do it in the notebook, not in only in the textbook. Am I clear to you all? I will put it in the classroom. What is your today's work? And tomorrow we will learn how to make the story problems based on the you have to make your story problem. Suppose, please here, no talking the back students. You have 3 questions to complete. Which child is talking here? I'll see. The others, those who are doing, please pay attention in their work only. Mohammed, where is your notebook? Do it fast. Done the second one also? First one. We'll make 5 necklaces and 15 seashells will be the remaining. So tomorrow you will learn how to make, suppose if I am giving you a statement, 35 divided by 5. So by getting the statement, how you will make the story problem on that. Okay. There were friends, they have, suppose I am making a story problem 35 divided by 5. Dhwani, you have joined now?
Oh, ma'am, because I'm wedding, so I was not having my.
There is no use now. The half of the class is already gone. So now how you will understand what were we doing from the last half an hour?
Ma'am, I was trying to join, but it was not joining. So now it joined.
Not audible clearly to me, but take care and try to understand what we are doing, okay? Yes, Tej Kumar. Number of cartons you divide. What is your answer coming?
Ma'am, quotient is 3 and remainder is 83.
I don't think the question will be 3 will come. It will be more than I think. Let me check.
Excuse me, Renu ma'am.
Yes, please.
And what will be the third statement?
What will be the?
Third statement.
For which question number? First?
2. 2.
Okay. The third statement, the last statement will be how many cartons does she need? Packing the total number of cartons needed.
Okay.
Yes, Kavisha has done. Kavisha, what is your question coming?
Ma'am, quotient is coming 3 and remainder is coming 83.
Okay, let me solve also so that I can give the answer.
Yes,
to
ma'am.
Tej
It's
Kumar also. Quotient is 3, right?
yes, ma'am.
Remainder is 83.
Yes, right. Remainder is 83 and the question is 3. Those who have done this answer in the second, their answer is right. So please write quotient is 3 and the remainder is 83 for the B1. Vihan, you are doing? Where is your notebook? Next is Manpreet wants 1500 sacks of cement for making a house. A truck carries 250. Can you tell me what is the answer? 83 will be remaining. If you minus 300, what is the answer coming? 255. And from 338, when you subtract 255, just check what is coming. 8 minus 5 is 3. 2 minus 2 will be 0. And wait a minute.
Ma'am, it is right.
Ma'am, it will. Ma'am, third one it will come 1,250.
What is your remainder coming? 83, na? Yes. Why she is somewhere wrong? Just check her work. Quotient is
Excuse me, ma'am.
Ma'am, in this they have given 300.
so we will not take 340. No, it is 338.
Ma'am,
We
maybe
should
you are
take
doing
less
word
than, not more than.
Ma'am, maybe you are doing word problems.
But we
or
cannot take
division.
340, na? We will take less than 338. And 340 will be more than 338. Got it? Yeah, it's 30. Yes. Any query?
Ma'am, maybe you are doing story
Yes,
problems
please.
on division.
Ma'am, she is saying that we are doing word problems on
Yeah.
division.
We are doing the word problems which are given in the textbook, page number from 125 to 126.
Ma'am,
So
third
let
one.
them come. One child is gone. He came. You please go. 8. Right. Yes, right. So students, in the second one, not 83 is the remainder, 113 is the remainder, right? 113 is the remainder.
No, ma'am.
220, when you 3 is your quotient and 113 is your remainder.
But I have done my check marker. It is coming out.
85 3s are 255, 8, 13. What? Go. Okay, yes, it's 250, 255, not 225. This is your mistake. So what is the answer for the second one is coming? We have checked again. What is the answer?
83.
Ma'am,
83 is right.
remain 3
Because the
questions.
child has
83
done
is the
wrong here
remainder.
something. 83 is right.
Ma'am, 83 is the remainder.
83 is the remainder.
Ma'am, I have one more doubt.
Yes, Manya.
Ma'am, I wrote this question, the statement 338 subtracted by 85. So what will be the answer? Means we have to subtract
It is correct. The question is 3 and the remainder is 83 is correct.
Yes, ma'am, but here in the answer, what we have to write?
This is, my dear, here don't do this statement, because if you do 338 minus 85 means you are doing with the repeated subtraction method. So you will write total number of cartons. It should be divide sign, not the minus sign.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
The third one,
In the third one? Yes. Anything remainder coming in this? So, students, complete this. If any doubt, ask me in the next class and complete page number 124. Practice sums in your notebook. Okay? Thank you. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.